And just look how that splits so beautifully. I've recently tasted the best cookies and peach cobbler I've ever had. What's up, guys? Today I'm at the Atlanta Municipal Market. I absolutely love this place. It's a 100-year-old historic market, and it's got produce vendors, it's got comfort food. I usually come here to do my groceries during the week, get any meats and produce that I need. And the other day I was in here and I came across this bake shop. Now, I'm not really a sweets person. As somebody who's been a pastry chef for 15 years, I feel like I kind of got all the sweetness out of my system. But I tried these cookies and peach cobbler the other day that blew my mind. So I was like, I feel like I have to share it with you. So Rhonda is the owner and the head baker, and we're gonna meet her today, and she's gonna tell us all about the absolute best cookie company. So let's head over there right now. Good morning, Miss Rhonda. How are you? Guys, this is Miss Rhonda, owner, head chef of AB Cookie Co. Thank you so much for meeting with us
no
today.
Problem. Thank you for coming out to see us today. When I started this business, I was looking for a place where I could, introduce my product to customers. I wanted to be able to share what I believe was the absolute best cookies.
Yes.
The Municipal Market is known to be an incubator for small businesses. I started as a table vendor here. I would set up 2 days a week. I built up a customer base. The store location became available, and 5 months ago we moved in, and so we're here. A lot of people don't know, but my story is pretty unique. I actually had a corporate career, 28 years. I was a hotel senior executive. I went through a personal loss of my mom.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Thank you so much. I lost her to cancer in 2020. And so part of the grieving process, I started spending time in my kitchen, and I was baking family recipes. I come from a family of extraordinary bakers. My grandmother, she's a master baker, and I just started to take to that to help, with my grieving process.
Of course.
And it became like, I have a unique talent that I didn't know I have,
Right.
in baking and culinary. So I turned that into AB Cookie Company. So for customers, AB stands for absolute best.
Yes.
But for me personally, it's in homage to my mom, Angela Brown. So that is the AB for me personally.
That makes so much
AB Cookie Company.
sense. Why you decided to make it an acronym. Wow,
Yes.
that's beautiful. Angela Brown is her name.
Yes,
Wow.
that's her name.
Wow, so this is in honor of Angela Brown.
It is.
That's a 4-ounce cookie.
Yes.
They are wafers. Let me show you what she's got right now on the rack. I think I see your #1 seller right here, that chocolate
Loaded
chunk.
chocolate chip.
You can see in there all of that texture, the chocolate, the nuts, the oatmeal. I didn't know there was oatmeal in there.
Yes.
It's so seamless that you don't really taste it, but it's more of a texture thing.
Yes, these are chocolate chip cookies. I'll pull this tray down for you. This is our chocolate chunk cookies.
Wow.
However, this pan is going to get a little extra added to it. They're going to become our chocolate chip Biscoff cookies. Biscoff is the thing right now. Everybody loves Biscoff, but we've been doing chocolate chip Biscoff for 4 years now.
Wow.
And we top these cookies with Biscoff, and then we do the Lotus Biscoff cookie topped in the middle. So these are going to turn into that. What I found was that the Biscoff cookie butter, it marries extremely well with my chocolate chip cookie.
Awesome.
It's that hint of cinnamon, and it just really, takes the, to the next level. You'll notice that with the exception of loaded chocolate chip, we don't use chips. We use wafers. So we use either wafers or hand chopped chocolate in all of our chocolate chip cookies.
The chocolate chunks in there are massive. I mean, every single bite you're getting chocolate, but you see those large globules of chocolate in there. I mean, if you like chocolate, this is the cookie for you.
Yeah, and this is a brown butter chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh, brown butter. Yes, that's why it's got so much flavor.
Yes.
It's got a little nuttiness in it.
Yes,
it's just
you pick up the caramel notes, you pick up the nuttiness in the cookie.
Oh, man.
So there's a lot of, dynamics. So again, that flavor profile is what we focus on. It wasn't enough for me to just make a simple chocolate chip cookie.
Right.
I wanted to give you the absolute best. So this is peach cobbler fresh out the oven. So we start our day with 2 pans, but on any given day, 2 pans can easily turn to 8 pans or 10 pans of peach cobbler made for the day. So it's very popular. As you notice, it is full of peaches, and then this is that crust that everyone loves. So we do canned peaches, but we use a quality canned peach, and we try to make sure that everything we put in here, again, are quality ingredients.
Yeah.
So I personally like to scoop each container myself because, again, I want to give that serving size that every customer loves. We give big portions over here. Again, in the South, we like to eat, and we like to eat good.
Yes.
So we want to make sure that every peach cobbler serving is a very generous portion. These are 5-ounce containers that we do.
Wow, the smell of the cinnamon. You really load it up on cinnamon, don't you?
Yes.
It's got a really great amount.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that is a typical serving of peach cobbler at AB Cookie Company. All the crust on the top, nice balance of peaches, but you get crust in every bite. Never thought that this would be my future, but you know, we may have plans for ourselves, but those may not be the plans, you know, that I believe God has for us. You know, we have seasons in our life. I went through that corporate season in my life, and I, you know, did extremely well.
Right.
But who knew that that was just that, a season? That this, you know, I know is now my purpose,
Right.
because I get to connect with people. I get to share my love for desserts. I get to share the desserts that I grew up with.
All right, so we're getting a few things. We're absolutely getting the loaded nut and chocolate chip cookie. I think that might be my favorite. And then we're trying the banana pudding for the first time. That I'm so excited for. And of course, I'm not leaving without peach cobbler.
Chocolate chip Biscoff.
Chocolate chip Biscoff, you guys. Look at the beautiful glisten of that Biscoff, the crumbles, the cookie butter on top. Let's crack it open and let me see. Oh, it's still soft. It's still doughy, yes. So I love how these cookies, they don't really like harden. They kind of always stay nice and soft in the center. I didn't think this cookie needed anything else on it, but the cookie butter just complements it beautifully.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like you're almost getting that richness of a peanut butter, but it's cookie butter, so it kind of softens out a little bit, and then you get a punch of the chocolate chips, the cakey doughiness of the cookie, a perfect balance of crunch and softness.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Guys, this is the banana pudding cookie. Is that right? Banana pudding? Absolutely beautiful. The delicateness of that white chocolate on top. Smells like banana. The white chocolate's almost like a marshmallowiness to it. You get that ripe banana taste. Wow. This is my favorite cookie at the Absolute Best Cookie Company. This is the one right here. This is the loaded chocolate chip. And just look how that splits so beautifully. It is packed with ingredients in there. This is one of those cookies that makes me so happy that I'm not allergic to nuts.
Yes.
I love the walnuts in here.
Yes.
The flavor is extraordinary, peach cobbler. It's been able to sit for about maybe 20, 30 minutes since you pulled it out, which is the perfect amount of time because it's still hot. The cobbler crust has been able to kind of solidify a bit. The best. That puddingness is just one homogeneous taste of the peaches, the crust. It just has a beautiful thickening of everything. I love how that you have that caramelization on the outside, you guys. You see that from the crust, and that just gets better and better over time. Wow, well, thank you so much for your time today, Rhonda. I'm so glad that we got to share your story and your amazing, amazing desserts with everybody. And we can't thank you enough for your time.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
it.
And I'll be back for Thanksgiving.
Sounds
And I'm coming to get some peach cobbler. I don't have to bake this year. Guys, you can find AB Cookie Company at the Atlanta Municipal Market in downtown Atlanta. If you're visiting Atlanta, seriously put this whole place on the top of your list and stop at AB Cookie Company. You don't want to miss it. And if you live in Atlanta and you haven't been here yet, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Bye guys, I'll see you on the next one.